Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook uh, tofu, sweet, sweet and sour tofu. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have the tofu. The tofu, I try to pat dry using paper towels, and then I put uh, cornstarch. Okay, I coated with cornstarch, and then next the sauce. This sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and then 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and then a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so this is it, the sweet and sour sauce. And then we need a slurry also, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, and then we need sesame seeds. And then we have garlic, ginger, bell pepper. You can use green and red, or there's yellow, or what different colors. It's very nice. And then we have onions. Okay, to start. Okay, add some more. Okay, fry the tofu first. Ay, napasok ko. Okay, we're gonna flip it over in all sides like that. Okay, like that. Mm. Mm-hmm. It's bitter if I do like this. Mm. I finished frying the tofu. I finished stir frying the tofu. Oh, okay. Onions and garlic. Okay. I mean, no, onions and bell pepper. We're gonna stir fry the onions and bell pepper. And now we're gonna set aside these onions and bell pepper. No, okay, okay guys, so let's saute the garlic. And the ginger. We're gonna put our sauce. Okay. We're gonna let it boil first. Okay, we're gonna let it boil. Got that one, the sauce. Okay. Okay, guys, and now we're gonna add the tofu. Ay, butan niya para sa iro. Mm. We're gonna make it sure that the tofu is all the tofu, sliced tofu will be coated with the sauce. Okay. And then we're gonna add the onions and the bell pepper. Mm, it's very yummy, guys. Mm. And then we're gonna add the slurry. This slurry is 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay. Mm. Okay, guys. We add the slurry. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's very shiny, guys. Mm. Mm. It's very shiny. Wow. It's super yummy, guys. So we're gonna off the heat now. It's already cooked, guys. Look at that one. Our sweet and sour tofu. Okay. So I might taste be. I might taste one. Okay. Mm. Now I'm gonna put sesame seeds for my uh sweet and sour tofu. Okay, guys, it's super yummy already. I tasted that one and it's super yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna taste, guys. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. It's super yummy. Mm. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook page, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.